Hey guys, it's Nita.
And Blake.
Hey, I'm one of the inventors of the Better Better. And what is the Better Better? It's like a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. You put it on once and you never have to put it on again. It becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress. You don't sleep on it, so you don't have to wash it often. And you simply just have to tuck your sheets in from the top without lifting your mattress, and your sheets will stay, they won't pop off, they'll stay tight, and it just makes life a little bit easier in the morning to change your sheets.
Yep.
So,
and don't forget, if y'all have questions, go on our website. We have tons of question and answers on the questions tab. If you click that at the top, it'll bring you to that list. And they also have video demonstrations on there too, so go check that out.
Check it out. All right, and our tip of the day is use any sheet from any store. And I know y'all hear us say that in our ads, in our videos, and actually in our posts. What is that? What does that mean, use any sheet from any store? What that actually means is you can use any sheet from any store. So you go into the store and you go, oh my gosh, I love these sheets. They're on sale. I want to get them. But then you hesitate because what if you get home and they don't fit? They're too long, or they're not long enough, or they'll pop off every time. And there's nothing you can do about that. So you hesitate every time you go to buy sheets. You look at them forever and you just don't know. Well, with the Better Better, we take that away from you. You just buy whatever sheets you want, whatever sheets on sale, whatever sheets expensive, whatever sheets you want, you can buy because you can use them with the Better Better. And just so you know, I went and I Googled and I said, let me just see the different size sheets because people are complaining, I have too much sheets, it doesn't matter, it balls up on the side. And so I just took the king flat sheet and I Googled what the sizes are for a king flat sheet. And I came up with a variety, 110 by 114, 108 by 102. You can get flat sheets, king flat sheets for 100 by 106, 85 by 100. Now a king size standard bed is 76 by 80. So you know if you have an 85, you only have like 5 inches extra on the side. But then some of these you have 20 inches extra on the side. So you have this much extra on the side of your bed. So I understand the frustration. I get it. We understand it. The Better Better takes that away. Go to any store, buy any sheets that you want. The expensive sheets, the cheap sheets, the sheets that you don't, if they're deep pocket but you love them, get them. It'll work with the Better Better. So that's what we mean by any sheet from
any store.
Any store.
So Mom,
what
is the quote of the day?
The quote of the day is from Susan. And she says, love this tip. I struggle with the fitted sheet and tucking the corners in the Better Better. And it does get a little wrinkly as a result. Yes. So anyway, she loves it. And wait, I think I lost my way on this. So anyway, I love it. And I'm so glad I don't have wrinkly sheets anymore. Thank you, Better Better. So also, let's see. We want to thank all those who have liked, shared, comment, and most of all have bought the Better Better this week. We want to thank everybody. I'll throw out some names out there. Susan, Eva, Becky, Michelle, Irene, Nora, Jerry, Kathy, Wanda, Tom, Patricia, Tina, Annie, Regina, Thelma, Elma.
We get it.
Harriet. Okay, that's enough. So anyway, thanks everybody. We love it. And Nita's short comment of the week is from Becky from Oklahoma. And it's, you have a great product that works, so I don't have to. So that's right. The Better Better does all the work for you, so you don't have to. So that's it, I think.
All right.
You got anything else, Blake?
Nope. That's
nope.
it.
All right. Go Tigers. LSU.
Woo!